Hello friends, today's topic Nifty to reach 22,500 before Parliament elections question mark. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society. What I have said is not my guesswork. It is the result of the research we have done. I hope you will go through the video completely. 2024 is an important year for India since the general elections is likely to be held around April-May. Stock market fears uncertainty and change. Hence, usually as the election date comes close, volatility becomes higher. Also, the previous 6 months of an election year has been following a particular trend for Indian stock markets. History usually repeats in stock markets. Hence, if we know how investors have behaved in the past, then we will get an idea of how markets will move in the election year. Nifty performance before and after elections. Number 1, 1999, Nifty 50 returns in previous 6 months, 10.2%. Nifty 50 returns after 6 months, 21.4%. Election year 2004, Nifty 50 returns in previous 6 months, 12.4%. Nifty 50 returns after 6 months, 32%. Number 3, election year 2009, Nifty 50 returns in previous 6 months, 15.6 versus after 6 months, 13.1%. 2014 is a fourth chance of an election year. Nifty 50 returns in previous 6 months 18.8, after 6 months 18.78. 2019 Nifty 50 returns in previous 6 months 22 and Nifty 50 returns after 6 months 1.12%. And 2024 I have deliberately left as a question mark for you to guess. So in the last 5 general elections in the previous 6 months, Nifty has gone up by around 15.68%, and after the election results, on an average, it has gone up by 17.28%. So if history repeats, 2024 will be a positive year for Indian stock markets. Previous election dates 2014 7th April to 12th May, and second chance 2019 11th April to 19th May. So just like the previous years, if we assume that the elections will be held in phases from April 1st week to May 2nd or 3rd week, the 6 months prior to elections starting from 1st October 2023 till around 31st March 2024. On last working day of September 2023, Nifty closed at 19,638. If Nifty has to move by around 15 to 16% based on the long-term average returns of 6 months prior to election, Nifty could be in the range of 22,500 to 22,800 by the end of March 2024. Most of the individual stocks, especially in Nifty 50 index, may move in a similar range. Let us see when the election commission announces the election date how markets will perform until then. There is a good chance of a positive movement even if the market does not move as much as the average movement of Nifty for 6 months prior to election. At the end of the video, here is a question. Do you think Nifty will give positive returns period October 2023 to March 2024 period? What is your guess? Positive returns, negative returns, flat? You may type any one of them. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra and Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends, and the video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.